AMD will release updated versions of its Ryzen processors with integrated Vega graphics. AMD has not been strongly promoting these upcoming chips as APUs, accelerated processing units, but that's essentially what they are. Anyway, Asus is preparing for the launch with a lot of BIOS updates. Asus has made available BIOS updates for its full range of AM4 motherboards, including 7 motherboards based on the AMD X370 chipset, 8 based on the B350 chipset and 5 more based on the A320 chipset. The current owners of ASUS AM4-socket motherboards can update their systems quickly and easily with the intuitive tools Asus USB BIOS Flashback or Asus EZ Flash 3. In addition, an updated graphics driver available on the Asus support site boosts the AMD integrated Radeon graphics at new performance heights for the best visual and gaming experiences with the AMD Ryzen 2000 series APUs, says Asus. The next Ryzen 2000 series combines 4 Zen-based CPU cores with Radeon Vega graphics. What we were told at CES last month is that AMD will initially only have Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 3 parts. They included the Ryzen 5 2400G, which will run up to 3.9 GHz with 4 cores/8 threads and 11 CUs, and the Ryzen 3 2200G running up to 3.7 GHz with 4 cores/4 threads and 8 CUs.